Have you ever looked at a simple fishing tool and wondered if it could become something completely different? That's how most of my ideas begin. Not with expensive gear, not with complicated designs, just with curiosity and the desire to create something with my own hands. If you've been following this page for a while, you already know I enjoy building fishing ideas just as much as I enjoy fishing itself. Because every project is a new challenge. Every piece of tackle has the potential to become something unique. Sometimes a small change is enough to create a completely new idea. Will every idea be successful? Of course not. And that's perfectly fine. The real value isn't only in the final result. It's in everything you learn while creating it. Every experiment teaches patience. Every mistake teaches improvement. And every new project helps you think differently. That's why I never stop building. Fishing isn't only about buying the newest gear. It's about understanding your equipment, using your imagination, and enjoying the process of creating something that's truly your own. Some people collect fishing tackle. I prefer collecting ideas, because ideas never run out. The more you build, the more you learn, and the more you learn, the more confident you become on the water. One simple idea can lead to another, and before you know it, you've created something completely original. That's one of the reasons I love this hobby. There's always something new to discover, always another idea waiting to be tested, and always another opportunity to become a better angler. Now I'd like to hear from everyone who's been following this page. What's your favorite DIY fishing idea I've ever shared? Or, what's the most creative fishing tool you've ever made yourself? Leave your answer in the comments. I'd love to read your ideas. Maybe your comment will inspire the next project on this page. If you enjoy these creative fishing builds, don't forget to like, share, and follow Mubarak Fishing Arts for more original fishing ideas, DIY projects, and creative inspiration.